Hello there. Welcome to another episode of Math Made Simple. I'm Jack and I'm a math specialist here at the Pique Lab. In this video, I'll be analyzing a past year examination question on the topic of exponential functions. I've also prepared for you this question to be downloaded for free in the description box below. So, let's get started. In this question, we're required to solve the following exponential equation. So, where do we begin here? The first question we're going to ask ourselves is whether the terms given in this equation share a common base. Now, to answer that, let us first list down the two bases we can find in this equation. They are 4 and 32. Now, we know that 4 can be rewritten as the base term of 2 raised to the power of 2. What about 32? Can it also be rewritten to a base 2 term? Yes, it can. It will be 2 to the power of 5. Now, let us make use of this relationship here to rewrite our given equation. If we rewrite the terms accordingly, we will have obtained the following format. Now, in this format, notice that there are two terms with brackets. Now, how are we going to deal with the brackets here? We will have to activate our law of indices. The law that we'll be activating first here will be as follows. Now, recall that for this law here, it tells us that when we take the base term and raise it to 2 powers, firstly by x and then by y, we will simplify by multiplying their exponents together. So if we go back to our equation and use this law, we will get out the next step as follows. Now, notice on the left-hand side, we have a product of two terms. And these two terms share the same base. This is where we will activate our next law of indices, and it will be the following law. Recall that in this law, it tells us when we have a product of two terms who shares the same base, we will simplify them by simply adding up their exponents together. So going back to our equation, if we were to simplify the left-hand side using this law here, we will get out 2 raised to the power of 2x squared plus 2. Now, at this point, notice that the equation has been reduced to a point where there exists only one term on each side of the equation. And these two terms that we see here contains the same base. Now, if they are equal to one another and they share the same base, what can we conclude about their corresponding powers? They will be the same. Hence, we will now extract an equation relating the two powers together, as shown. And if we were to shift the phi x over to the left side, we will attain the following equation. And what do you notice? This is our standard quadratic equation. We will now solve this equation by factorizing the quadratic expression. If you factorize it correctly, what will you have obtained in the brackets? You will have obtained x minus 2 and 2x minus 1. Now, upon solving this, we will obtain the final answer of x equals to 2 or x equals to half. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video useful, please do give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to check out more videos by us, do click on the links on the right hand side of this video. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again next time. Bye!